add. So if you're new here, you are mostly welcome. Thank you for joining the family. And if you're oldie but a goodie and you are OG, thank you for checking me out. Well, as you guys can see inside today, it is a Stylewe. This is the first time I'm ever hearing of this company. They reached out to me. They were like, oh, we send you a couple of things for you to try on for your people. And I was like, you know what? I've never heard about you guys. And I went on their website and their stuff, their clothing looks really good and really nice. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try them out. So I was like, okay, y'all can send me stuff. And they did send us a couple of things. Most of them are all tops. So I'm gonna try them on for you guys. Everything that I have on, like you guys know, will always be in the description. If I have any coupon code, it'll be up here. It will be pinned in the description box and it will also pinned in the comment. All right, guys, without further ado, without wasting our time, let's go ahead and start this video. If you want to see what Stylewe sent to me to try on for you guys, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, y'all, the first thing they sent us to us to try on is this beautiful jacket, blazer, whatever you want to call it, military style situation. I freaking love this. The material is like a suede velvet situation. It has this red, silver, black, and then it has this swirly gold thingy on it. And it does have this detail right over here. Guys, if you ain't gonna get nothing in this damn haul, get this shirt, get this jacket. Okay, y'all, this is called the Color Block Urban Stand Color. Hey, can y'all just give this thing like a simple name? Oh my God. Color Block Urban Stand Color Long Sleeve Jacket. I got this in a large. And when I say quality, this is quality, guys. I love everything about this. Like, this is so freaking cute. It does come with this hook and eye. It has this hook right here, and then the eye is on the side. I freaking love this. If you don't want to wear a button up, which I think will be perfect for you to just like do two of the hooks, you could also leave it like this. Oh man, this is good. This is so freaking cute, and it's like literally all the way on my butt area. I freaking love this. Like, this is one thing that I really appreciate. Like this embroidery that it did right here all over the top area, it is on point. Constructed very, very well made. This shirt, I really love it. Like, oh my God. With this, I give it a 9.8 out of 10. 9.8 straight out the bottom. All right, y'all, this is the next thing that they sent to us. I really like this. This is a nice, beautiful top. A nice button-down jean top with this exaggerated sleeve. If you've been here with us from the beginning, you would know that your girl love an exaggerated sleeve. If you have it, we're buying it. Okay? But yeah, this is so cute. It like, y'all see the length of this shirt on me? It like gets to my wrist and even past my wrist. This is gorgeous. Love the sleeve, love everything about it. I love the color of this denim. This is one of my favorite color in denim. I really love this. It does button all the way up to your neck if you want to be that kind of a person. And the button is not button, it's just a press on. You take it, you press it, and you are good to go. I love the length. This is what the back is looking like. Such a beautiful top. This is called the Lightweight Stand Color Urban Loose Long Sleeve Denim Blouse. I got this in a large. I should have gotten this in a medium, but it's okay. I just gotta be careful with their sizing. Y'all know these are all Asian sizes, and you gotta be real careful with them. Like me, my size normally it's a medium. Everywhere, anywhere, it's a medium. I stick with my medium and it fits me just well. But because this is my first time of working with this company, I decided to go up a size, so I don't have to regret anything that I get. So yeah, we are loving this so far. Really cute. I love the fact that it's a little bit big and a little bit, you know, oversized. With this, I could do denim on this. You could do denim and leggings. You could do this denim and a skirt or shorts or pants. Whichever one that rocks your style, you could do definitely with this outfit. I freaking love it. We're gonna give this a good old, yeah, we're gonna give it a good old 9. They're up there for us right now. This is such a good quality though, but it has quite a lot of stretch to it. It does have stretch on it, so I feel like if you're a large, I feel like you should stay your size in all of this outfit that I'm showing you guys. The first one, I feel like, yeah, if you're large, stay large. If you're medium, stay medium. Like, they are so good though. I love me a good jacquard material outfit. And this one right here is so freaking nice. I told you guys, I only bought me tops with this company. They only sent me tops. I guess when I was picking from the company side, when they told me to pick, I guess I only picked all tops because I guess I was scared. I was being cautious of what their material and their outfit is going to be looking like. Baby, there is no disappointment. If you like to be extra, this is the top for you. Guys, look at this. Like, just look at this. All flower on it, different color, gold, black, red, pink, brown, green, lime. Like, this is the ultimate jacket. And I love the fact that their stuff is long enough that it covers your wrist. Like, some people will give you a large, and the shirt is like right over here. The sleeve is like right over here. I don't have long arms, baby. But baby, this right here is class. This is class. The only thing I wish about this is I wish it was a little longer. I wish the jacket was like hitting me a little bit, like right here, right below my butt. But other than that, this is beautiful. This is nice. This is well made. Stylewe. Oh my God, you guys are styling me good. This is so freaking cute. I love the fact that it has this, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right, and this is the name for it, lapel. Is that what they call it? Like a collar that extends down to the belly button area or whatever it's called. So I feel like that's what it's called. So, and it does, like, it comes with a button. I want to be so. Yeah, come on, button. Okay, if you want to wear it like this, you are good to wear it like this. I feel like some people be like, this is too grown. But at some point in your life, you need to start dressing classy, you feel me? And start dressing grown. The thing about it, if you don't want to wear this, like this, all the way up, you could wear it like off the shoulder. And it's lined. I got this in a large, okay? And I'm going to give you guys the name of it in a little bit. If you guys haven't seen it on the screen yet, but you could just like wear like any color on the inside. Black, you could wear all black. You could wear green, blue, color anything inside, and use this as like your accent color on top of your shoulder. Just simple like that. Like, woo, girl, this is freaking cute. I love this. I told you guys, I love me a good jacquard moment. Like, I feel like they're so classy and they're so cute. Y'all see this one? This one is from Africa that my brother bought for me from Africa. I told you guys, I love me a good jacquard moment. And I got this one from Pretty Little Thing a while back. I love me a good jacquard moment. So when I saw this, I knew I have to have it. I have to have it in my closet. So I appreciate you guys, Stylewe, for sending us all of this outfit. We got a what do you call it? Oh, this is so wrinkled. I got a leather moment right here. It's a nice caramel color with a trim of some white and stuff like that. Really cute. I also got this in a medium. It's so wrinkled though. Oh, don't mind me. I've put this in a pile for a while. Oh my gosh. Okay, girl, you look so cute. Wait, okay. This is a good. Okay, this doesn't smell like that leather smell that we all know. It doesn't smell nothing like that. This is so freaking cute. Come with a pocket, nice color, and then you can go ahead and button it on the inside. Do this. And then you go ahead and do that. Oh, that's cute. This is cute or whatever. You could layer this on the inside, or you could wear it just like this with a nice leggings, you know. You can wear this as a dress actually, and then put a thigh-high boots or a booty with a tights on the inside, and you could just dress this up as a dress. I'll wear this as a dress. Yeah, I'll wear this as a dress. And then you could go ahead and just pin like the inside, so when you're walking, nothing is popping up or showing or things like that. But this is cute though. I really like this. Let me see what it's supposed to be. Is it a jacket or long sleeve PU urban lapel color leather coat? Supposed to be a coat. But baby, I'm cool with this. Just as a dress with a tight on the inside and my thigh-high boots and a nice purse. I'm gonna wear this as a dress. If you can get away with this as a dress, I think you are cute. But if you want to wear it as a coat also, you are more than welcome to do that. Just wear this, layer it on the inside, and put your pants on, your shoes, your purse are good to go. I think it's so freaking cute. And the fact that it doesn't even give us that smell, that what they call the PU leather smell, the fake leather smell, that really they got my heart. Like, this company got my heart. I should have gotten this in a medium because it's pretty big, but if I'm layering it with something else, I think it's just perfect. And one thing, y'all didn't even tell me since that I had no earring on. I just figured that I didn't have any earring on. Okay, but anywho, so this is what this one is looking like. I got it in a large, like I said, oh no, I got it in a medium. Hold up, I got it in a medium and it's still this big. Golly, I guess their company is very good though. We also got this shirt, this jacket right here. It's called the Urban Color Block Long Sleeve Jacket. I got it in a size medium. This is such everything they got, everything I've gotten from this company, even though this is my first opinion about them. They are good. The jacket, I told you guys I rate the first one and I rate the second one. The third one I'm trying for you guys, which is the jacquard material situation. That one is a straight up 9.8 out of 10. Okay, and then the blazer dress is a 9, straight up. Like, what? Stylewe will get you styled. Okay, it will get you styled. So this one I got it in a size medium also. It's a color block, white and black. Like they said. Okay. Dang it. This is a straight up jacket. Like, what? You can't tell me nothing. Like, this is clay. This is clay. This is so freaking cute though. It's just a simple jacket, the short one. Really nice, color block, black and white. And you could button it if you want. But me, I don't think I'm gonna be buttoning this. This is how I'm gonna probably wear it. Just simple, easy, baggy pants with this one. I think a nice, cute little baggy pants will work well with this. Baggy pants, bodysuit in here, crossbody bag, or a nice satchel bag that I can top handle bag, something like that. You can wear that with it. I think that will work perfectly well. This is so freaking cute though. Like, so simple but yet cute. And their site is pretty affordable. So this dress, this blazer dress, I didn't even know it was a dress. I thought it was just a regular blazer. It's nice. Golly, it's nice. Little one or two thing wrong with it. It's a little snug on my arm. There, nothing the little tailor can help us fix. Okay, the little thing the tailor will help us fix it. Okay, you going button or not? Come on. Do y'all see this? Do y'all freaking see this dress? Needs to be taken in the waist a little bit. But do y'all see this blazer dress though? And it has a slit. It has a front slit. Oh my god. I need to take it in though, like a lot in on the waist. Do y'all see that? Do y'all just see how it just cinching my waist right there? We need to take it to the tailor, but this is classy, cute, business, casual, business meeting outfit. You have a business meeting with a brand and you put this on, they won't even ask you anything. They're just gonna give it to you. Straight up. Oh my god, y'all see it has a blazer thingy going on. It's light. It's not like a structured blazer. It's pretty light and stuff like that. But this is really nice. Constructed well. Only thing, I know my arm is big, so but it still doesn't even look like my arm is big in it. It fit me nice. Just wish this will come down a little bit. Okay. Okay. Everything on point. 5 stars. Everything. 5 stars for all this outfit from this company. Thank y'all so much for sending me all of this. Like for real. I ain't regret nothing. A little tweaking here and there. Mostly just for this one actually. This is the only thing that needs tweaking. Other than that, everything else works perfectly well. This, I just need to go take the waist in so I can get my waist good. Y'all follow me on Instagram. You guys will see pictures and stuff on how I style. And I did tell you guys that I'm going to be styling most of this outfit anyway for you guys. But yeah, so freaking cute. And it does have a full, is it a real pocket? Hold on, let's find out if it's a real pocket. Nah, it's a full pocket. Yeah, it's a full pocket right here. It does have double-breasted button right here. 2 here, and 2 right here. And it does come and it does slit right over there, which I love. Okay? Which I love. Love, love, love. It's not tall girl friendly because it's hitting me. I am 5'5" by the way. Okay. Alright, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to check the description box for all the link of everything that I got. Thank you again to Stylewe for sending us all this outfit to try on for you guys. If I have a coupon code, it will definitely be up here, pinned in the comment section and also in the description box. So don't forget to check it out. Alright guys, until next time, remember to share this video with your loved ones, okay? Remember to do that. Share with your family member, your friend. Don't be selfish now. Come on. Share this video. Share this channel with your friends, family, and all your loved ones. All right, y'all. Until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching because God got your back. Mwah.